today's phrase of the day is I love you. I love you or I like you to a woman. You can say እወድሻለሁ. 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 To a man, you can say እወድሃለሁ. 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 And to a group of people, you can say እወዳችኋለሁ. እወዳችኋለሁ. So we have እወድሻለሁ, እወድሃለሁ, and እወዳችኋለሁ. And that's how you say I like you or I love you in Amharic. There's like a romantic love. Romantic love is ፍቅር, or I guess love in general is ፍቅር. But romantically, if we're talking strictly romantically, you can also say አፈቅርሻለሁ to a woman, አፈቅርሃለሁ to a man, and አፈቅራችኋለሁ to a group of people.